When potting a plant, I go into the GardenFit squat and gently lower my knees onto a knee pad. I place clay shards to cover the hole so no soil escapes. And then I add more drainage with smaller pebbles. After that, I add some potting soil to make sure that the plant will be sitting on soil, not the pebbles. And then I lower the plant and wiggle it around to make sure it's stationary in the pot. And very carefully, I add more soil around it, gently pressing the soil down and keeping it at about 1 inch lower than the rim of the pot. I water it slowly, making sure I keep adding water until I see it drain straight through to the bottom of the pot. Have fun planting your favorite pots, and please make sure you stay garden fit.